What kind of sound does a dinosaur make? What kind of sound does a helicopter make? What kind of sound does a dinosaur on a helicopter make? What kind of sound does a chicken make? What kind of sound does a motorboat make? What kind of sound does a chicken on a motorboat make? So that's called the do now. If for some reason you think that you can leave your preschoolers alone for 3 seconds to just sit there and wait for you, how's that working? So I all the time engage my kids. If I have to go have a conversation with the teacher, with the parent, I gotta tie shoes. By the way, if I tie shoes on the outside of the perimeter, turn the kid around, I'm down here and I'm tying while I can see everything. And I see everything going on. So the do-nows are there to keep the kids engaged. So if I go, what kind of sound does a chicken make? What kind of sound? But then I go, what kind of sound does a helicopter make? And that's easy for most of the kids, 100% super easy for the alpha. So then to the alpha, I go, what kind of sound does a chicken on a helicopter make? And the other kids are like, like smoke coming out, and the alpha's like, like that, and does it amazingly. And then you push that kid, and then what they're going to end up doing is they're going to go be a voiceover artist and work 3 hours a week and make 6 figures.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.